Hello everyone, how are you? All right, we're here for the next lesson now. We're still doing phase 2 phonics and we're on set 4 and this is going to be lesson number 3. Okay, so we've already learnt the CK digraph and the last lesson we learnt the E letter as well. But before we do our next phoneme, we've got a little job here as well. We're going to carry on with our tricky words to see if you're remembering them, because this is going to help you when you're learning to read. So let's have a look if you can remember some of these words. The first word, have a look at this one. Do you know what it says? After 3, 1, 2, 3. No. The word is no. No, we don't do that. No, you can't splash water in the bath. Let's try the next word. Do you know this word? 1, 2, 3. 2. This is the word to. You might go to the park. Okay, let's try this word up here. Look at that. Do you know what it says? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to teach you your phonics. Here's the next word. Have a look at this one. Do you know what it says? 1, 2, 3. A or A. Remember, you can say, pardon me, 2 different ways. A or A. And the last word, look at this one. 1, 2, 3. Go. All right, we might tell you to go to your room. All right, or you might go on a big adventure. Okay, let's move on, shall we? Here we are. I've got some phonemes and I'm going to rub these out to see if you can tell me what they say. Let's start over with this one. Do you know this one? See if you can remember. 1, 2, 3, tell me. K. It's the K. Remember, K, K, K. Let's try the next one, shall we? Think about it. Remember? All right, here's another one. Can you remember what sounds this makes? D. D. And remember, we're going to play the drum. We're going to go D, 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 D. We've got the drum and the drumstick. Here's your 4th phoneme. Ooh, looks very similar, doesn't it? See if you know what this one says. What sound does it make? P, P. It's a quiet one, isn't it? Remember, you need to blow out the candle on the pink pig cake. Here we go. P, 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 P. All right, 2 more to go. Here we are. This one. It makes the T sound, doesn't it? And remember, we're watching the game of tennis and the ball is going side to side. It's going T, 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 T. All right, here's the last one. Do you know what sound this makes? See if you can remember. G, G. Remember, it's the water that gurgles down the sink. Here it goes. G, 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 G. Well done, everybody. Here we are. Let's move on. We're going to do a bit more blending to help us with our reading. So we're going to blend these words, all right? We're going to put the phoneme buttons under to help us as well. And I did that in my first lesson before. Here we are. So here's my phoneme buttons. Watch me. First phoneme, the second in the middle, and here's the last one at the end. How many phonemes is that? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 phonemes in this word. Let's have a go. D, I, N. D, in, d in, d in, din, din. The word is din. And a din is when you're making a very, very loud noise and you might say, oh, what a din, I can't hear myself think. So a din is when there's lots of loud noises. Okay, let's try this next one together, shall we? Here we go. All right, so let's put the phoneme buttons under. There's the first phoneme. We've got the middle phoneme and the final phoneme, the last one. Join in with me. Here we go. P, I, n. P, in, pin, pin. The word is pin. And when it's your birthday, you get a badge sometimes with a number on it, and it has a special pin on the back, so you can clip it onto your top. So we've got din and pin. Oh, they rhyme, don't they? They've got the same sound at the end. Din, pin. All right, here we are. I want you to listen carefully to these words. Can you hear the eh phoneme at the beginning? And remember we did eh in our last lesson, didn't we? Have a look at this picture. Do you know what this is? We talked about it. It is an elf. Elf. Can you hear eh, eh, eh at the beginning? Yes, you can. Elf starts with the eh phoneme. Here we go. Let's try the next one. This is a net. Net. You might use a net. You could catch some butterflies, or if you've got your fish tank, you might have to scoop your fish with the net. Can you hear the eh phoneme at the beginning? It's not at the beginning, all right? We've got the at the beginning, but it is in the middle. Listen carefully. Net. There's the eh in the middle. Net. Here's another one. What's this a picture of? It's a truck, or a van, or a lorry, okay? But none of them start with the eh, eh, eh. We've got truck, lorry, or a van. Okay, this next picture, have a look at this. Oh, we've had that one. I've had that one. Ooh, what's this? It's an elephant. Elephant. Can you hear the phoneme eh at the beginning? Yes, you can. This is an elephant. There is the phoneme at the beginning. Right, one more. Ooh, you might have this on toast, maybe. Or you might have it with a very special breakfast. This is an egg. Egg. Can you hear eh at the beginning? You can. Yes, this is egg. All right, let's move on. Oops. To our new phoneme. This is the letter U. And the letter U makes this sound. It makes the phoneme. And I'm going to put up my umbrella. So watch, here's my umbrella. I'm going to put it up. I'm going to go So I put my umbrella up. And these words, listen carefully for the at the beginning. Here's my umbrella, umbrella. And here's an arrow pointing up. So it goes up. Oh dear. This person, they don't look very happy, do they? In fact, they're crying a lot. I think they look a little bit upset. So this person is upset. And upset begins with the phoneme. Here's the last picture. There's the dog. Where is the dog sleeping? He's sleeping under the table. Listen carefully for the phoneme. Under. Under. All right, you've got to listen very carefully. And here we are, we're going to have a go at practicing this now. The letter U. And remember, the U phoneme is So I'm going to start at the top. Watch as it goes down and under, up, straight down with a flick. Can you join in with me? Start at the top. Go down and under, up, down and flick. Try it one more time. Should we try it with our noses this time? Here we go. Right, so I'm going to start near the top. I'm going to go down and under, up, down and flick. Okay, watch me as I write it on the board. I'm going to use my special pen first. Here we go. I'm going to use my rainbow one this time, I think. So watch, starting near the top. I'm going to go down and under, up. Then I'm going to go straight down and flick. Watch when I do it with a different colour this time. Starting near the top, I'm going to go down and under, up, down and flick. I'm going to use the line now, so watch how I do it with the line. Here we go, I'm going to start here. All right, remember holding your pen properly. All right, we don't hold it like this. We don't hold it like this. We're going to make sure that it's pointing up. You can use your thumb and finger to hold it near the point. Put my next finger underneath, and these two, I took them away. So you've got 3 fingers to hold on. Now, some children might use their other hand, their left hand, and you can still hold it very similar to this as well. You're going to use your thumb and finger. You can tuck it underneath, and these ones just go away. All right, so you can still control the pen or the pencil with your fingers and with your wrist. Okay, so watch how I do this now. I'm going to start near the top. It's going to go down and under, up, down and flick, and it sits on the line. Watch when I do it again. Here we go. Down and under, up, down and flick, sitting on the line again. Remember, we don't want any letters floating in the air. We don't want any letters going under the line. So try and keep them sitting on that line. Okay, it's your turn now. You can have a go at home. All right, have a go using some pens or paper. You might use some notepads or in a book. Or remember, you can have a go on a baking tray, sprinkle some flour, and you can use your finger to have a go at doing the letters. All right, that's the end of the lesson. All right, I will see you for the next lesson very, very soon. Goodbye, everyone. Take care.